When traveling to the Fiordland National Park, you have plenty of activities and tours to choose from. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to some of the best Tiana things to do. These include an epic Fiordland tour combo with a float plane flight, a jet boat ride, and a guided walk on the famous Kepler track. Hi, my name is Michael Nees. I'm a New Zealand travel designer. My goal is that fellow travelers get their trip of a lifetime. In this video, you'll meet some of the most experienced local New Zealand guides with in-depth knowledge. I'll also provide you some sample travel itineraries to help you plan your holiday. So let's meet with my fellow tourism mates Ivan, Chris and Steve.